Hello and welcome to our lovely channel LibreCAD tutorial. Today want to draw a familiar object, a simple padlock. Okay, let me start. Please open your LibreCAD application on your desktop and activate some snap functions. There are free snap on endpoints, snap center, snap middle, and snap intersection. Okay, next, I think we should start from a rectangle. The rectangle dimension is for horizontal dimension is 40 and for vertical is 30. Select rectangle tool, rectangle. Left click to put the rectangle into our screen. Go to command line form here and type add, or on your keyboard press shift and 2, and then add horizontal dimension 40 comma a vertical dimension 30 and press enter. Okay, right click to escape. Okay, next, I think we should create a helping line. This is the helping line. The length is 30 plus 30, so the equals is 60. Select vertical line, type the length 60 and select snap point start. Left click at the middle of this line. Okay, right click to escape, and then next I want to create a circle. For the circle, the diameter or the radius for the circle is 15, so select circle center point. Left click at the end of our vertical line here and go to command line form, type 15 and press enter. Right click to escape. Next, create a line or two lines. Select 2 points. Left click at the left quadrant for this circle and activate restrict vertical. Touch the rectangle here. Okay, right click to escape, and I think we should copy the line. Select the line and select move or copy. Left click at the reference point here. Please deactivate restrict vertical before. It will be a problem if it's still active. Okay, left click at the reference point at the end of upside the line. Okay, left click again at the target point here. Select keep original, click OK. Press escape on the keyboard. Now we can use parallel tool. Use parallel tool line, and I want to create this line of vertical. The distance from first line to the second line is 5, so it will be half of 5. Type distance 2.5 and left click near the line here. Left click again at the right side. Okay, left click at the left side from this line. Left click at the right side. Okay, And for the circle, left click at the inside and outside the circle. Okay, right click to escape. Next, I want to remove a half of our three circles here, but we need to create a helping line again, a vertical, horizontal line. Select horizontal, type the length. Okay, 60 is okay. Snap point, select middle, and put the line into this position, the center of our circles. Yes. Alright, click to escape. And now select trim tool, select trim, left click at the horizontal line, and left click at the circle we want to trim. Okay, nice. Right click to escape, right click again. Oh, I think we should make it longer, so just edit the end of move the end. Oh, I think we should activate restrict vertical. Okay, just move the end of this line, press escape on the keyboard. Okay, next we should change the line type for this helping line. Select all the helping lines and select attributes, and change the line type into maybe dash or dash dot. Okay. Oh, and I think we should change the width of the lines here. Select attributes and change the width into 0.15. Click OK. Okay, next. Oh, we should create this part. We'll use a fillet tool. Select fillet. And how about the radius? The radius is 2, radius 2, and type 2 at the radius box here, 2, and mark the trim box here. Okay, left click at the first line and the second line. Okay, right click to exit from the tools. Okay, now time to give a dimension. Okay, but I think we should create a single layer special for dimension only. Just click at a layer here on the button and type the layer name dimension. Select the color of our layer, new layer, maybe dark cyan. Select width 0.2. Okay, click OK. Activate dimension layer and select dimension tools here. First select horizontal tool, and I have forgotten to deactivate restrict vertical. Just click and it will be inactive. Left click to put the dimension. Okay. Oh, I should remove the 0 behind the commas. Okay, select options, current preferences, open tab dimensions, and linear precision change into 0. Okay, linear precision. Click OK. Next, select vertical dimension. Okay, left click at the point here, left click at the Okay, left click at the point here, left click again at the point here, next point. Okay. Okay, oh, vertical. Select vertical again. Horizontal, sorry, horizontal again. Left click at the line here, left click at the line. Okay. Okay, now select radial tool. It will be give dimension for radius, radial. Okay. Left click at the circle you want to give dimension, radial dimension. Okay. Next. Okay. And then right click to exit or escape from the tool. Okay, I think we have finished our job for this image. Thank you for StudyCAD-CAM.com. I take the image from StudyCAD-CAM.com. Thank you very much. And thank you for your attention for watching our videos. Thank you very much. Please subscribe and share our video into your friends maybe. Thank you. Bye. See you in next video.